Welcome to the Jantar Mantar, an astronomical wonder in the heart of Jaipur, Rajasthan. This 18th century observatory is a testament to India's rich scientific heritage and a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, architecture and astronomy. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. It features a collection of 19 architectural astronomical instruments. See the Lahu Samrat Yandra. This is a sundial. It can tell the local time within 20 seconds of accuracy. See the Nadivalaya Yandra. This Yandra has two sundials on different faces of the instrument, representing north and south hemispheres, measuring the time to an accuracy of less than a minute. See the Granthi Rita. It is an instrument used to find the declination and distance from the ecliptic and equinox of the sun and stars. See the Yandraraj. It is an adaptation of an astrolabe, a medieval instrument for the measurement of time and position of the celestial objects. The Jantar Mantar is not only an astronomical wonder but also an architectural marvel. This observatory design is based on the principle of Vastu Shastra. Thank you for watching. Join us next time as we explore more incredible destinations in India and around the world.